Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today I am making a video of this 52-inch Hunter original ceiling fan that I got at the Habitat Restore last year, and now it is in my room, along with the other fans that were previously installed, which I'll talk about that during the demonstration. This fan did not came from the 70s, 80s, or etc. This fan here actually came in the 2000s. Then I'll show you the logo right here. Pretty nice logo. You can see my favorite thing can actually see inside. Anyway, we will show you the light. And I am using a LED in there. And I really like those round globes. Kind of reminds me of Disney's Hunter Originals. Anyway, we will start with low. Now, like I said in the beginning, there were other fans. First fan was some kind of 5-bladed fan that had a 3-way like killer tulip shades. Second fan was a Hampton Bay carousel. Third was a Harbor Breeze Triton. Fourth, a Hampton Bay Huntington 3. And hopefully, fifth and last, this Hunter Original. Now, for those of you who are wondering like what the airflow is and how powerful this is, well, in my opinion, these fans are extremely powerful. The airflow of this fan is outstanding. I personally love this fan. It's like an industrial, but in 5 blades. Just kidding. So, I really like this fan. I can see why people will add these in restaurants, stores, etc. Really nice, powerful fan. Not bad for a 2000 fan. Sorry, the chain is a little bit jammed. Anyway, here's the light again. Anyway, here's high. And this fan flies. Complete powerhouse. Hopefully I can adjust my phone so you can hear the air whip. And I'm not going to do spin down. Alright, this is the 2022 remake of this Hunter original ceiling fan. Thank you guys for watching.